This tutorial will explain how you can quickly update every mod you have installed in Starfield. To start off, exit back to the main menu if you aren't there already. From there, you have to go to Creations. In the Creations menu, bring up the Options menu. If you are playing with an Xbox controller, then you can do so by pressing the menu button on the controller. In the Options menu, select Update all installed creations. If your mods have fully updated, then you will get a message saying that no updates are available. After making sure your mods have been updated, load back into your game. If this video helped you out, then you can support this channel by clicking on the like button.